Hello, Barry Anderson with Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. So today we're going to look at TNXP. So just when you think monkeypox was dead, we saw some of the like this SIGA, kind of the quote unquote leader. TNXP came out this morning. Now I think they had some kind of a share buyback program. Also, I think this mauve area right here is after hours yesterday. And then this morning, though, they came out with, now this is sort of an abbreviated headline, but something to do with synthetic chimeric pox viruses. I think it covered smallpox and also monkeypox, okay? And so this caused it to just absolutely rip. So again, this only has 16.67 million in the float. So this is why you can get moves like this. As we speak, this is up 63%. But I mean, what makes the trade great? Of course, it's the news. It's the news. So even though it looked like a lot of the monkeypox stocks were going to be dead, take a look at SIGA. Though SIGA had no news of its own, but look how whippy this is. Normally when you look at a 15-minute chart, it tends to smooth things out a little bit. But look at this bottoming tail, topping tail, up, down, up, down, up, down. Really tough to trade, very tough to trade. This SIGA does not have news on its own today, but turned into a bit of a sympathy play with the TNXP. And again, so the TNXP, I actually think that with that float, if the volume picks up again, we may see a challenge. I have an alert set up here around 4:30, so we'll have to see what happens later on in the day. But if it takes that out on volume, this might get me interested in taking this trade again. So anyway, that's what made the trade great. News. Monkeypox is still in the news, and they took advantage of it. So if you're getting in the email you're getting, again, you'll see there is a promo code for 25% off. It'll be good until June the 6th, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time, June the 6th. So there is still time to get 25% off the first month only or the entire year of Trade Ideas. I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.